All right, man, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share a Shopify store that I created a long time ago, as well as give you tips on how you can create and format some of your Shopify stores so you can generate more sales. But first, I want to say thank you for all the support that we've gotten over the past few months. I know I haven't posted, but I've been able to pay attention to the growth that the channel has had. And I just want to say thank you. We've gone up to 260 subscribers as of me making this video and slowly approaching 9,000 views on the channel in total. So I just want to say thank you for that personally. And let's get into the video. So the name of the website was called My Bark Bed. That was the name of it. It was for the soft anti-anxiety beds that you saw people drop shipping on everywhere at one point, and they had high sales every day. So I started doing it, and I actually started doing it at the beginning of COVID, when everyone was buying pets. Like, people were at home, they were bored, they were purchasing pets, and a lot of people didn't know how to take care of animals. Some people did, yada yada. But the demand for pet supplies was through the roof because people were at home more, so they had more time to give, as well as more time to provide for their animals. So some people were taking better care of their animals. Some people were purchasing animals, specifically dogs, in my case. So I'll show the home page, and then we'll get into the product page, which is really the most important thing. And to add, the product page has the home page has a lot of information from the product page, just shortened and really sweetened up. So Calming Dog Bed, that's the name of it. Make sure your dog sleeps through the night. Shop now. Call to action. The best bed for your dog. Our Calming Dog Bed has soft fox fur that complements your dog's skin, improves sleep quality with raised edges, creates a sense of security. It's available in beautiful natural colors for amazing designs, and every bed is safe in the washing machine and dryer. Now, I got all of these things from Amazon and different websites that I found so that I could provide the answers to the questions that people had in Amazon questions and reviews, so that I could solve that pain point. So it was soft for their dog, improved sleep quality for the dog, and has a lot of designs and features so that they could have different options for their pet. Soft fox fur. This is actually one whole image. That's not text from the like in HTML. That's something I did in Photoshop, so the words are attached to the photo. Soft fur, highlighting the fur that's on the bed. Improved sleep quality, a dog that's asleep. Nice picture. Versatile designs. I had to actually go in and create. So the actual picture is just the left side with the tannish color, and I went in Photoshop and just tried to make different design colors. And then lastly, easy to clean, so that you can put the fur inside of the washing machine and you can take it out and your dog will be clean and safe. 100% safe for your pets. Call to action, and then customer testimonials. Not really important. And then another call to action at the bottom. Those really aren't the most important things that you have to focus on, but the product page, because this is your landing page when either you run advertisements or you have marketing. When you put your bio in your description, in your when you put links in your bio or links in your description, or have swipe ups, you're probably going to go to your product page. So let's take a look at the product page. Now, my product page came from a YouTuber. And when I say came from, I mean like the way I set it up came from a YouTuber by the name of Viram Ecom. I think he had one of the best videos, breakdowns on how to create engaging and converting Shopify stores. His was based around the mosquito fly trap, but I took his and kind of like mimicked it all the way down to the T. So shout out to Viram Ecom. Go check him out. He's amazing. So yeah, we still have the bark bed at the top. The logo, you have an interactive choice of options. So when I click light gray, it changes to light gray. When I choose tan, it changes to the brown tan color. And then as well as when you change the sizes, it increases the price of the product, because higher products, bigger beds should cost more. Now, scrolling down some more, you have your badges saying that it's safe for different types of payment methods. 100% money back guarantee now, and free shipping on all orders. Now, the 100% money back guarantee, which I also highlighted here, the focus of it is mainly to say that it gives a sense of security, so that when you purchase, you know that you'll be able to get your money back. Kind of like an Amazon guarantee. A lot of people purchase on Amazon, including myself, because I know that if something's wrong with the product, I'm just going to get my money back and probably get another order sent to me real quick, because you have that sense of security. So you're trying to provide that same sense of security on your website. 100% money back guarantee within 30 days. Now, quickly highlighting some of the points that we started earlier on the homepage that are also below us that you can't see yet. Super comfortable, eases anxiety, pet safe, and machine washable. And then we slightly go in more detail on these topics, and you can read them for yourself just because I want to get through everything else. But yes, you want to highlight it, put it in bold, eases anxiety, pet safe, machine washable, 30-day guarantee. Now, this is the one part of my website that I tried to figure out that I couldn't. And if I tried a little harder, maybe talk to someone that understood HTML and created a drop-down box for me, I could have done it. And I'll show you a different website that did this well. When you have a dog, you don't necessarily know what bed is going to work for them, especially buying it online. Like me saying you have a small bed, a medium, a large, an extra large, and an XX large doesn't really tell you which bed you should get for your dog, because if I have a German Shepherd, well, where does he fit in here? If I have a poodle, maybe he might be medium or small. You can't really tell. So this is where I will honestly say I've seen other websites do this a lot. I've only seen 2 websites do it better. Now look, on their website, and I'll even go to the mobile view so you can see it. When you click on their bed, similar stuff, free shipping, hassle-free returns, 30-day money-back guarantee. Cool. Size, they have the same thing we have. But when you say need help with sizing, because most people do, because you don't know what your dog bed is going to look like or if it will fit your dog, you can click the dog that you have. Let's go to the German Shepherd so I can give my example. You should get an extra large. That right there is huge for solving your customers' problems. And you can apply that to any other product that you have. That's the biggest concern. So if it's one huge concern that people have, solve it within the first part of their interaction and experience. They have more comfort purchasing through your website because they know that they're getting the product that they want. Now, towards the end, how it works. Now, this is the same thing that we applied on the homepage and up top, but it goes in more detail, just a little more so that you can entice them to purchase, improve sleep quality with a good picture of the dog that we had earlier. The same thing that we had on the homepage, just more details, superior comfort, amazing designs, and easy to clean. And then at the bottom, we have our shipping and delivery, which basically says, hey, it may take a while. And given that it's a big order, you know, like size-wise, it can take some time. Bolding, one thing that I will say, if you have your Shopify websites, I will recommend that you bold the most important things in certain parts of your text. For instance, like titles, certain parts of different paragraphs to highlight pain points that people want to solve, or just features that your product has. You want to highlight those. So that is the product page for my website. This was a website that I actually used. And I'll be honest, like full transparency, I did not scale this to the moon. I had one sale. I ran out of money quickly. I'm talking, it dried up. I was running Google ads. I actually had a sale on my first day, and I had express shipping, which brought my total order value up to like $100 and some odd. But if I could run it back and do everything over, there's some things on the Google ads platform that I have learned, like reevaluating my analytics, that I would change and try again. And yeah, so this is my website. I think my website was really good as far as getting customer to the product page. The only thing that I would change, if I could, is go back and add the option to say, hey, I have this type of dog. What size bed do I need? Other than that, I think this website is really good. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Like, hey, I think you could have done this better. This website looks good. This website looks bad. X, Y, and Z. If you have comments, please share them, because that's how we grow in this community, being able to feed off each other and say, hey, you could have done this better. No, I like this, X, Y, and Z, so that you can have a better understanding of how the process works, and that's how we learn. So if you enjoyed this video, please slap the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'm going to try my best to post more content. I started working, so I'm trying to get familiar with my schedule so that I can do both content and work and be able to provide really good content for others that is valuable. So again, if you enjoyed, please slap the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.